This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story home with media room and no back neighbors. Beazer floor plan boasts upgrades. Cute front porch perfect for your morning coffee. Open kitchen with massive island, pendant lighting, decorative windows along stove wall, gas range, espresso cabinets, and walk-in pantry. Bright and light dining/breakfast. Large primary bedroom with lots of windows. Primary bathroom features standalone shower with decorative glass tile, double sinks, silestone countertops, and walk-in closet. Great size secondary bedrooms. Media room is pre-wired for surround sound. Backyard features covered patio, tranquil Zen-style sitting area, and landscaping. You won't want to miss this one.